So the other day, I was doing some very dense reading, and I was using highlighters, doing this whole color coding system. It got very messy because, so you have to constantly switch between one and the other, and just a lot going on. And the material being so dense, it's just very hard to manage. And I thought to myself, what if we could merge the two highlighters? Wouldn't that be brilliant? You have two highlighters, and then you fuse them into one highlighter. Yeah? And how would you do that? That seems very difficult. What if we just rotate, I'll say this slowly, rotate one of them 180 degrees out of phase, if that makes sense. So it becomes a double-ended highlighter. I went online and I was like, this is a brilliant idea. Surely, no one's come up with this before.
Double-sided highlighters. With different colors. With two different colors. Okay, that two different colors. Yellow, pink, okay, fine. That's okay, because what we actually want is also fidget spinner.
Turns out people have done double-ended highlighters, which is insane because I thought I was the first. But then I remembered we don't want double-ended highlighters with different colors. We want double-ended highlighters with different colors, which is also a fidget spinner. Yes, a fidget spinner, and that doesn't exist, so we win. So yeah, let's get cracking. Okay, here's what we're going to do. So here's the plan. We're going to get two highlighters, and we're going to get a ball bearing, and we're going to put the ball bearing in the middle of the two highlighters, and then form a structure around to sort of hold everything together. So we need to do some measurements. I like to measure everything with rulers and calipers. Just write it down on a piece of paper before I do anything, and then we can, do the whole CAD thing and 3D print a solution. And don't worry, all of this will be open source, so don't worry about trying to keep up. Highlighters, ball bearing. Okay, not great. Maybe don't play with highlighters. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Press the notification bell somewhere around here. And I'll see you in 2 weeks. Bye.